Molweni namkelekile nonke guys. It's just a bit entertainment guys. Catching up with Izingane Zesithembu, umnini wezinto zonke, who is the son to Udado Mseleko as well as Umayeni, is literally a teenager. He recently turned 13 years old. Nedabona ke siblings zakhe uMpumelelo as well as uAbongwe Mseleko uyeke wamposter as well as udada wakhe, of course, udada Mseleko saying ndoda yamadoda, happy birthday mnini wezinto zonke. Umayeni went all out for ke umntana wakhe. Nanko ke ku Facebook ubhalile, happy birthday my dear son, watching you grow day by day has been one of the greatest blessings of my life. You bring so much joy and light into my world, and I thank God every day for you. I pray that the Lord keeps you healthy, safe, and surrounded by his love throughout your life. May he guide your steps, protect your heart, and grant you all your wishes as you continue to grow. I cherish every moment we share, and I am so proud of the kind, loving, and wonderfully talkative boy you are. Never lose that beautiful spark that makes you who you are. Always remember that you are deeply loved Mthombeni today and forever. Ndiyaqala guys ukumbona ke Umayeni pouring out her heart xa kukhona ke ibirthday yomntana wakhe. Now of course ndiyabona ke kodwa Mseleko, people are saying umnini wezinto zonke is our hope. As it is his 13th birthday, we are hoping and praying that akazulandela ifootstep zababakhe, but because he is so smart beyond his years, we are hoping that he is going to start his own path and not follow footsteps zampumelelo ulwandle as well as utadake. So yeah guys, a beautiful 13th birthday to umnini wezinto zonke. I hope ke usuku lakhe uzolonwabela. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Sonibona shortly.